Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 8.1 question number 6. Express the following as centimeter using decimals. You have to change it into centimeter decimals as centimeter using the decimal, right? First we have to know what is the relation between centimeter and millimeter, right? Let us take that is centimeter millimeter. We know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. You have to know this relation, only then you can convert, right? 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. If you know this one, only then you can convert, right? So number A is 2 millimeter. Therefore you can say that 10 millimeter, 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter, right? You have to change it into centimeter, right? That means you can write here that 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter, or you can say 1 millimeter equal to 1 by 10 centimeter, right? Okay, therefore you have to change it into centimeter. That is question number A. Question number A is 2 millimeter. 2 millimeter. To change millimeter into centimeter, you have to divide that number by 10, right? That is 2 by 10, you can write centimeter. That is equal to 0.2 centimeter. 0.2 centimeter. Right? Now question number B. Question number B is Question number B is 30 millimeter. 30 millimeter. To change it into centimeter, you have to divide millimeter by 10. That is 30 by 10 centimeter. This 0, this will cut and you will get 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. Question number C. Question number C is 116 millimeter. 116 millimeter is equal to 116 by 10 centimeter, right? That means you are getting 11.6 centimeter, right? This is question number C. Now question number D. Question number D is 4 centimeter 2 millimeter. It is centimeter itself, therefore we can write here as 4 centimeter, that is 4 plus 2 millimeter means divided by 10, it will change into centimeter, right? Again I am explaining. 4 centimeter, right, plus 2 millimeter, right? 4 centimeter, you have to change it into centimeter, therefore millimeter is divided by 10, 2 by 10, right? That is 4 plus 2 by 10 means 0.2, right? 4 plus 0.2 centimeter. Therefore, you are getting 4 plus 0.2 means 4.2 centimeter, right? This is question number D. Now, question number E. Question number E is Question number E. Question number E. Question number E is, here you see, that is 162 millimeter. 162 millimeter. And you know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Therefore, 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter, or we can say 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. That means to convert millimeter to centimeter, you have to divide that number by 10. Therefore, here you see the number is 162 millimeter. Therefore, 162, if we divide it by 10, will change into centimeter. Right? That is 162 by 10 and 16.2 centimeter. Right? Now question number F. Question number F is 83 millimeter. Therefore, divide this millimeter by 10, that is 83 by 10 centimeter. That will comes to 8.3 centimeter. This is the solution of question number 6.